This would be another method that doesn't use a PC at all. An easy and quick method. If you're looking for methods that don't use a computer, in this video we'll explain some steps so you can do it too and solve the problem. Since we forgot the screen lock, and what we did was formatting your phone left you with that little padlock in the upper left corner, and it took you to the home screen. You see this padlock, this accessibility option, and it won't let you proceed. It won't let you get to the home screen. So that's why we're making this video, so you can apply it and solve the problem. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and we're going to get to that section where the screen lock appears. Also where the Google account is displayed. From there, we'll be doing the recovery so you can follow along step by step without skipping ahead in this video tutorial. For those who also want to see other videos, there are other methods without a PC as well as other methods using a PC, which we've included in the description of this video. You'll also find the PC method and other methods different from this one without a PC. Now, here we see that screen lock. Here we're going to see the Google account, and you're going to do this. Here you're going to click where it says, Forget Gmail, and you're going to write this. Click Next, and right here. As well, go back and do this for 30 seconds. You're going to click Next, Next, Next. When those 30 seconds have passed, then we'll be doing the following. If there's any detail that didn't work for you, leave it in the comments so we can guide you, help you solve the problem, and leave us in the comments which model it worked on and which model it hasn't worked on yet. We're going back here to start. We're going back to start. You're going to tap the screen several times. You're going to go back here. You're going to click Accessibility. Tab that. Enable it here. Double-click here. Double-click here. Double-click here. Click Deny here. Then double-click and turn this off. After turning it off, tap the screen several times. Go back. Tap Add Network. Tap the gear icon. Tap here on Language, the 3 dots. Update. Then tap here. Turn off the language. Just leave your phone language. Go back. Then tap here. Let's see here. Tap here. Where is it? Let's tap back here. Tap here. Where is it? Turn it off here. Come on, hear it. Is. Tap here. Tap here. Let's write here. Hash. 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 Hash 1, 1, 2, 2 hash. 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 Then here we write this. We write here. Ah. Let's write here. Here we delete. Then we add. We go back. We deactivate here. Click here on Reset and you'll reset everything. Once it's reset, press and hold the volume down and power buttons. This will . Force a restart. After the forced restart, wait for your phone to take you directly to the home screen. When it does, you'll finish the recovery process with the following steps. Wait. And let us know in the comments how this process is going and if the recovery process worked for you. If it hasn't worked yet, tell us what didn't work and what has worked so far. Let's wait a few seconds. Now, click here. Adjust here, click Next. Click Add and click here. We click Next. We'll wait here. We'll wait a few seconds, then this will take us to this section. Pay close attention. Now, what you're going to do, if you can see the padlock here, is go back. Click here on the gear icon. Click on the gear icon, and then click here on Forget Gmail. Click on Off, and then click here on Skip. Click here where it says Don't copy, click Skip, click Skip again. Click OK, click Add. Now, what you're going to do here is click Next. Click Next. Now it will take you to this section. Once you're here, you're going to select this option. What are you going to do now? Because our device performs this process, you might encounter some errors. How do you correct all these errors? I'll explain it here. Go here to Settings. Once you're here in Settings, scroll down and select the following options. You're going to scroll down. You're going to go here to About Phone. Then you're going to go here where it says Reset. Then you're going to go here where it says Factory Data Reset. You're going to select this option. Now you're going to click here and reset your phone. When the phone resets and takes you to the home screen, it will be fully recovered. You'll have recovered it. Here you are, restarting your cell phone in the easiest and fastest way.